Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S8. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them, and after that, tap on the start bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then open it on both devices. After that, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do the same on Samsung, so I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Samsung. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one further, just send and click on Got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, select this scanning icon on Samsung, choose Allow and point your camera at the QR code. After that, we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, like File Manager or My Files, choose in my case Images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!